What? Are you ready to go out? Yes. Okay. All right. Let's go out. She looks cute, but she's a handful. Yes, I'm talking about you. I'm not gonna lie. Having animals can be really annoying sometimes. She decided that she was gonna kick stuff out of her litter box. So not only did she pull as much hay out of the hay part as she could, then she decided that she was just gonna kick that and the litter all out of the box. And now it's down there in the holes. And then, you know, if that's not enough, then you come over here and the cat threw up. So yeah, having animals is not always fun. Today is the day we're gonna scrub all of this nastiness. I'm gonna scrub the inner litter pan, the scoop, and the outer one, just to be safe, because it's gross. You gotta do the dirty work when you have animals, y'all. All clean. And when you're done, just be sure to clean your working area. And I cleaned the litter box in the tub. You guys can do it outside or wherever you have an area available. Just be sure that you are thoroughly cleaning. I have heard that they have special things that you have to be careful when you're cleaning cat litter boxes. But I also use specific brush, and I have separate towels as well. So you just want to make sure that you're not cross-contaminating things when it comes to that sort of stuff. Now that it's clean, we just gotta fill it up. So we go over to the box with the pine litter pellets, and I have a scoop that stays in here specifically. That way I'm not cross-contaminating her scoop that had her poop on it whenever I do the rabbit's litter box. So I just fill it up. Alright, then put the scoop back in. Close it up. And there you have a clean litter box. And now I'm going to put it back together with the top on it. There we have it. A clean litter box. And as you can see, there's a little bit of mess right there on the edge of the lid. And then I also personally tend to put the scoop on the top of the box because I don't have a little holder for the scoop. So I'm just going to go ahead and disinfect both of those parts. And then you're done. So I had a little bit of leftover taco stuffing. So I went ahead and made myself some soft tacos for lunch. It's the smaller soft tortilla shells with some lettuce, sour cream, salsa, and I'm going to put some cheese on it. And then this is what the stuffing looked like. There was a little bit left. Not really. There's some ground beef, black beans, and corn. So, yep, that's what I'm having for lunch.
Hello, farm family. I'm out here today taking out the food scrap to the composter. And we have a little piece of lettuce left. I'll show you that we're going to just shove into the bed, and hopefully it sprouts and make some more lettuce. Not too much. This is just from the last couple nights of dinners. I'll just take that and toss that. And it all falls out. And this is the little bit of the lettuce cutting left that I'm going to plant over there next to the other lettuce. This Hopefully it becomes that big. That would be a giant thing of lettuce. While I'm over here, I'm going to deal with the rainwater again. I always take it and put it right back into the compost. I'll probably put it on 50-50 this time. And then as it drips out, I try to catch as much as I can. Because I'll probably put this onto the lettuce that I'm about to put into the bed. Just close this back up. Let's go plant this. I'm going to probably take this little head of lettuce. I'm just going to dig down just a little bit. And I'm going to put that right there. Put some dirt back up to it. So now that the compost has finished draining, this pan was way more full than just 2 inches worth. I'm going to take that. I'm going to pour it right around here. It's been raining for the last few days, so the soil is pretty wet already. And boom, we're done. I'm going to take this little bit of water left and put it back into the compost. So what I'm going to do now, after I've poured the remainder of that water into it, I'm going to tumble it. I do it try to do it once a week. Tumble it. And now I'll show you what it looks like inside. You can see that it blended it pretty good. It's really wet. It's ready to go. This one's compost that's been going for a while. It's pretty full. So I'm going to take some of this compost that's been going for a while. I'm going to take it. I'm going to spread it around the beds since some stuff looks like it's getting a little bit something going on, maybe nutrition. So I'm going to take it and spread it around so it gets a little bit of fertilizer. Basically, I just take some by the handful. I come over to the plant and I try to put it down at the base of the plant. And I'm going to do that for every single plant. It has been raining so much that the driveway hasn't let any water drain. So what I did today is I cut a couple drains so it can go that way. And then I did this one with the SUV. Hopefully that's still pretty deep. I don't think without pushing the water. Well, as we drive, at least now, it will make wakes and push out. This is gonna be a problem. We're gonna have to fix something with this.
Why isn't she just running away? Why is she being so weird? She clearly doesn't like it, but she's not running away. What in the world? You're such a good cat. You say, Daddy, stop messing with me. She's so good. feel good. Please be sure to leave your comments down below with any advice or tips and anything you might be interested in seeing. We love seeing all of the support that we've been getting, and we just want to keep this thing going and growing, and we appreciate it all. Thank you guys so much. And as always, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends.